All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Friday, March 6th. Little trade recap for you guys. So, unfortunately, I signaled a winning trade to the Discord and I was supposed to take it. And I literally could not execute on time because price ripped so fucking fast. So, I'm going to go over a trade recap, what I saw coming to market open. So, I was personally very mixed bias. I saw two things. I saw the possibility for us to push lower and take out these lows, right? Which is also a possibility on ES. But if we look at ES, we can see ES actually took out Tuesday's March 3rd's low, while Nasdaq did not. So these were my draws on Nasdaq, but we actually ended up making an SMT at this low. Tuesday 6 a.m. Yes. So since we made an SMT at this low with ES, and we were trading inside of OTE of the range, right? Let's get rid of the noise so you guys don't get confused. SMT at the low, we're in. Oh, it's OTE, 0.618 to 0.705, which is literally aligned with a 4-hour gap, right? And from there, we start seeing price starts to reverse, no? We SMT at the low. I believe it was this low. Or no, it was 959 that swept. No, it was 947 that swept that low. But whatever. Either way, you have an SMT at that low. Then you have a double SMT at this low. Why is it a double SMT? Because if you look at 9:34 a.m. and 9:46, you can see ES actually swept the 9:35 low, while Nasdaq didn't. So we actually have a double SMT there with these relative equal highs resting above us. We have data highs still resting above us. We have, why is it not working? Okay, data highs. We have this swing high here, which is a nice take profit. Right, 15-minute order block. Unfilled hourly. At the time, there was no unfilled hourly. At the time, there was an unfilled 15-minute. Right? So with that being said, what do we know? We know there's relative equal highs with an unfilled 15-minute above us. We're rejecting this imbalance right here. We're rejecting double SMT, which I don't use double SMTs. I don't want you guys thinking that I use this. I don't use it. It was just in the back of my mind. I just noticed there was an SMT. I don't really use that shit, right? If I would have taken this without the SMT. And then what do we get? We sweep this internal low, and then we get, this is too much noise, right? Let's just know higher time frame SMT at our draw on liquidity, which is very important. Because why am I bearish? I'm bearish because I want these draws to get taken out, but ES already swept them. So there's no reason for me to be bearish anymore, right? Tap into OT of this range, which is also, I believe, a 2-minute gap. Yeah, 2-minute gap. And a 1-minute gap. What do we do here? CISD. Why is it a CISD? We sweep the low of the bullish candle that created the move to the downside and then closed above the body, not the wick, right? Basically told the Discord, I'm going long here. I tried longing here and my phone deadass had a hard time entering this fuck ass trade. Would have banked. But yeah, overall pretty clean day with this trade. This is the only clean. I don't know why I said pretty clean trade. This is the only clean trade. Like everything else is horrid day, right? But yeah, pretty clean day, not much to be said. I didn't take any trades. I have 5 instant fundings with Lucid and 5 with Tradeify right now. My plan is to just take those mad slow and see what I can do with them. Alright, so I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I will see you boys on Monday. I'm gonna drop a vlog tomorrow, alright? Vlog is probably dropping tomorrow if I can edit that on time, alright? But with that being said, I will see you boys on Monday. Peace out.